Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to get back to your old stories on Instagram. If you want to view, share, or save stories you posted in the past, the archive feature makes it easy to access them anytime. We will walk you through how to find and restore them. Let's get started. On your Instagram dashboard, go to your profile. You can do this by clicking your profile picture on the left side of your homepage. Click on it. Once you are here, all you need to do is click on your archive. Here, you will see all the stories you have shared on Instagram. You can share them again by clicking on a story and selecting Share. You can also download them or share them in any other way you like. We do not have any archived stories in this account, so we cannot show you the result directly. But once you are in your archive, you will be able to see and share yours. That's it. You now know how to access your archived stories on Instagram. Go ahead and revisit your past moments whenever you like.